Because blind devotion and all of that might work for some very special occasions, special student or special teachers, but I don't think we can really rely on that entirely.
Yeah. Actually, I'm kind of curious from your perspective as a teacher. I think the colloquial way of putting it, is there anything you find kind of creepy about that?
About?
Wildly devoted people running around. Or whatever they're calling devotion.
Okay, I will tell you something. There are so many wildly or blindly devoted students, let's say in Tibet. But I think maybe it's slightly less dangerous just because there's the concept karma. You understand? Whereas in the West, the blind devotion may come from this theistic. So I have students who would think that when they were in India taking shower, when the water ran out, they just think that it is my manifestation that the water ran out. So that becomes a little dangerous because, our mind chooses things. So sometimes, you want to do this, right? And then you can interpret, oh, my guru wants me to do this, right? Sometimes unpleasant thing happens. Maybe the theistic oriented blind devotion can be quite creepy.